Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, we'll need to grab a cable, have it plugged into your computer, and for now have it ready on the side. On the tablet side, we're going to turn it off, so swipe down from the top right side, click on the power button, and choose power off. Give it a moment. Now when the device turns off, you will want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now the moment you start holding both of these buttons, you're going to plug in the cable. So I'm going to arrange everything so I don't fiddle around with the plug. So I'm going to start holding volume up and power button now, plug in, and in a second you see Samsung and then Galaxy. Now when you see the Galaxy logo, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up till you have recovery mode visible. Once you do, you can get rid of the cable. It's only required to boot this device into recovery mode. Now, once in here, we need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, depending on if you press up, volume up or down. So I'm going to start pressing volume down to navigate down, and I'm going to select wipe cache partition. Now that it's selected, you can confirm it using our power button. Select yes. It's going to tell you that it's wiping cache and then cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So let's press power button once more, and this will bring us back to Android. Now I'm keeping my hands just because the camera has a very hard time focusing on black screen for some reason. So I just keep my hand so that it has something else to try to focus on. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.